The villa we stayed at offered us many morning and evening views of the ocean, which I found relaxing and I loved documenting them. I enjoyed this bird's company as it ran up and down the waves searching for food. We both enjoyed the waves and capturing photos of each other. At this moment you see me with sunglasses on. Then I took my turn in the water. As I stepped backwards, I didn't realize, but there was a huge wave behind me. And lo and behold, I slowly got engulfed by this wave and unfortunately lost my glasses in the action. For breakfast, we're stopping at the Croissants Bistro and Bakery. It's a really cute little coffee shop. And then they have a whole restaurant in the back. They had some new coffees on the menu that I really wanted to try. First up is the coffees. I got the pumpkin, and this is the apple cinnamon coffee. We were given blueberry muffins, and as an appetizer, we ordered the fried green tomatoes, which were amazing. For our main course, we ordered the veggie omelet and the cheese quiche, and on the side they gave us a croissant and triple cheese home fries. Still craving a little bit more coffee, we got the Ethiopian coffee pour over, and that was delicious as well. Even on a rainy day, the ocean waves can be very relaxing, and it was hard to leave and go inside, hearing all this beautiful rolling water outside the balcony. There's a lot of Mustangs in the area. Once the sun came out, so did the Mustangs. If you visit Chestnut Hill Restaurant, you might get the opportunity to see an alligator along with many turtles. This is the super sampler, so there's a few options you can choose from, and we chose these four. Looking forward to enjoying. Hello, turtles. Where'd that other one go? Oh, he dove in. Oh, there goes that one. After dinner, I wanted to hop back in the water. The weather was way too nice, and the waves were perfect. You'll see me bobbing in and out of the ocean like a dolphin. I also have these water sounds on my channel to help promote relaxation. I'll be adding this one to my calm and relaxing playlist. We loved Kirk's ice cream so much that we had to stop by again and try some more flavors. We used the same strategy of taking a pint and adding 4 different flavors to that and enjoying them each individually.
Just checking out some beautiful homes in the neighborhood. The only thing that separates this from the ocean is a beautiful dune of grasses. This whole area is a bird sanctuary, and I just spotted one right here. I think it might see me too. The camera's having a hard time with the grasses in between. Oh, there it goes. Beautiful area. Enjoying our leftovers from the restaurants we visited with a little drink that we purchased at one of our favorite bars now in the area. If you're in Myrtle Beach, in this case we're in North Myrtle Beach, you have to get a round of golf in. In this case, it's mini golf. We're at Mutiny Bay, and we're actually taking advantage of buy one golf at 3 locations. I hit it too light, that probably would have went.
Our golfing only got better and better as we moved along, and a little bit more comical.
Good.
Oh no! So close!
You always get a mulligan if you want to do it over from the start.
Alright, mulligan. Mulligan, mulligan, mulligan. decided to take a stop at the Originals Painters Ice Cream. Turns out a lot of celebrities stopped at this place as well.
This little gem here was the best waves and beach that we found in the North Myrtle area. I only wish that I found this area sooner.
We're in North Myrtle Beach, and we ended up stopping at 25th South Street End at the beach. We found free parking and a beautiful beach at nice long extension where you can enjoy the water slowly rolling in. But it's really, really nice here, and no shelves or rocks that you can, pinch your feet on. So a secret little gem that we found, and we'll definitely be back to this one.
In this area, there's a lot of good places to stay, whether you stay in a hotel or a home. But there's a lot of food around, entertainment for the kids, and areas that you can park for the beaches if you want to try different ones as you drive along the road. Keep driving along this road and you'll find some very beautiful and large homes in the area as well. After we were done this little scenic drive, we wanted to get back to playing mini golf, but this time we decided to play indoors, which is coming up next. And this is where I started laughing kind of a lot.
Try again.
Did any of us fall into the water? The answer is yes. And this is where you'll see I start breaking out into laughter and kind of lose control of the camera.
Don't fall in. Oh, you're still in. We gotta put it down. Now we have to use the wrong end of our club.
Oh, yours even with.
The last stop for tonight is the House of Blues. If you ever come to North Myrtle Beach, definitely check out the House of Blues.